Learn how to permanently delete email in Gmail from this video guide. This can be done in a mobile as well as in the web version of Gmail. First, let me launch my Google Chrome web browser. Once you launch your Chrome web browser, visit gmail.com and log in. If you're using the mobile app, just tap on the app, okay, and it will open. Once you log in successfully, you will find yourself on an interface that looks like this. Let's assume I want to delete an email from here. So I'll click on this one, then I will click on the delete icon. Okay, a beginner that started using Gmail or doesn't know some tips and tricks about Gmail may think that this email has been deleted permanently, but it is not. So let's go and see where it is. So click on more and then select trash. If you're using the mobile version, just click on trash, okay? Now this shows the email you deleted. These emails are going to stay here for 30 days before they get automatically deleted on their own. But if you don't want that, you don't want any person to have a trace of this, you don't want to see it again in your inbox or in your email account, the next step you need to take is to click on this checkbox. Okay, clicking on this checkbox will select all these emails that are moved to trash. All right, so the next step is to click on delete forever. They are gone and gone forever, the emails. So there's no how any person can trace them. If this content helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. Leave a comment and hit the like button. This video will put you through on how to use Gmail more effectively. Thank you and see you some other time.